Today, we will be learning how to use the Sieve of Eratosthenes to find prime numbers less than 100. Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician that lived more than 2,000 years ago. He is best known for calculating the Earth's circumference. He also invented a simple algorithm, or a set of rules, for finding prime numbers. We will be using this algorithm to find all of the prime numbers under 100. The algorithm is called a sieve because, just like with a cooking sieve, it sorts out the smaller parts, the prime numbers, from the larger parts, the composite numbers. To start, we will first black out the number 1 because it is neither composite nor prime. Next, we will highlight all of the multiples of 2. Next, we will highlight all of the multiples of 3 that have not yet been highlighted. We can skip over the number 4 because all the multiples of 4 are even and they're also divisible by 2, and they are already all highlighted. So now let's highlight everything that is divisible by 5 that hasn't yet been highlighted. We get to skip over all of the multiples of 6 also because everything that's divisible by 2 and 3 is also divisible by 6. So now let's highlight all of the multiples of 7 that haven't yet been highlighted, and those are 49, 77, and 91. We're almost done. We can skip over the number 8 because all of its multiples are even and they're all highlighted. We can skip over the number 9 because its multiples have all been highlighted. We can skip over the number 10 because all of its multiples have been highlighted. So let's look at the number 11. And look at that. All of its multiples have been highlighted. So it looks like we're done. All the numbers left should be prime. Now I have blacked out all of the composite numbers so that all you're left with are all of the prime numbers. Guess what? You just learned all of the prime numbers to 100. Congratulations!